Hey guys, Gaston with Rough Country. Today we're going to be installing our hood assist on this Jeep Gladiator. Now the kit consists of our lower mounts, hardware, and lift assist struts. This is a very simple install. It does require a little bit of drilling to install our riv nuts, but that's no big deal. I'll show you exactly how to do that when we get to that step. Our first step is going to be to install our lower mounting brackets. They're going to use these two existing back fender bolts. We'll pull those out, drop our mount in place, and reinstall the bolts. We're going to go ahead and install our lower strut mount onto the bracket. Now we're going to remove this push pin that holds the insulation. We're actually going to make the hole that the push pin goes in a little larger to take the riv nut. The instructions tell us to cut the insulation here, but I think I can save it. I'm going to go ahead and leave it. I'll install our riv nut, install our strut mount. If for some reason it's in the way, I'll come back and remove it, but I think it's going to be just fine. So we'll go ahead and pop this push pin out. Just like that. But we need to enlarge the hole that the push pin came out of to a 35/64. We're gonna step into that. We'll use a smaller drill bit first, and then we'll finalize it with the larger drill bit. If you notice, I've got drill stops on these bits. That's because our hood skin is right behind here. So you need to take some kind of measure, make sure you don't drill too far in and come out the other side of the hood, whether it's putting a piece of tape on there to stop yourself, or these are like $5 and it's a nice fail safe. Now we're ready to install our riv nut. This is essentially a threaded nut that's gonna go in the hole we drilled, and it acts like a rivet. It's gonna clamp down on the metal around it for a solid mounting point. Now you can install this using a riv nut tool, which I'll show you on the driver's side. But if you don't have that, you can install it using a couple of washers, a bolt, and a nut. Thread the bolt in. You'll run the nut down. Once the nut bottoms out, we're gonna hold the bolt still, and we're gonna tighten down on the nut. And what that's gonna do is compress the riv nut and clamp it to the inside of the hood. With the riv nut compressed, we'll go ahead and remove the nut, bolt, and washer we have here, and we'll replace it with our upper strut mount. Now we're ready to install our strut. And these simply snap into place. Put them in position and snap, and we'll repeat that up top, snap. Now we'll repeat that on the driver's side. Now I'll show you installing the riv nut using the Rough Country riv nut tool. We'll thread it on, expand it out, place the riv nut in the drilled hole, and squeeze to compress it. And that's all it takes to install our hood assist struts on your Jeep JL or JT. In less than 30 minutes, you can go from fiddling with a prop rod to having an effortless, hands-free way to raise your hood. Check it out at roughcountry.com.